had to choose between the two books, I Quit Sugar and I Quit Sugar for Life. In many ways, this second book, it reflects my principles. It reflects the principles of real, true wellness, more so. It picks up on ways of life that are really important and add to the way that you might eat. So a morning routine, how to exercise in an efficient, kind, gentle way. I guess it's the whole package for wellness for life. I designed this book for busy people, so I very much had families and single people sort of living on their own, finding it difficult to cook nutritious meals every night. When I was developing the recipe for this book, I was keeping in mind that I wanted them all to be very cheap and easy for people to cook, because that is what I think we're all needing. We don't need more fancy recipes. Some of the things I do, I have a lot of recipes involving a slow cooker. A slow cooker is a really cheap device to buy from a department store, and it means you can cook with some economical cuts of meat and some cheap vegetables. You can also put it on the night before or first thing in the morning, and you have dinner ready that night. You can cook in bulk with these kind of things as well, and you can freeze some portions, and they're there ready to cook during the week. It's about sustainability in every sense of the word. So economic sustainability, so it's cheap for families and for singles. It's also environmentally sustainable, but it's also sustainable because people can actually stick to it for life.